So I am always a sucker for cozy season, spooky season, Halloween. Growing up, always my favorite holiday. But this year, I think it's kind of like even more important to kind of just savor these moments inside, especially with everything going on in the world, not being able to meet with friends and family. It can get a little bit sad, but I am doing my absolute best to just make the most out of a really cozy fall season. So I've just been indulging in the most quintessential autumnal activities lately. And this evening I am going to do it again. So I thought I would bring you guys along and kind of show you guys how I make the most of autumn. I threw on this super cozy sweater from Everlane, and then underneath I have on a little white t-shirt from Everlane as well. And then I have on my recycled water bottle leggings from Girlfriend Collective, and they are so comfortable. I absolutely love these leggings. And then I have on some fluffy socks. Okay, so now I'm about to light all of the candles in the area. Because we have one, I of course had to light the fireplace. What do you think? Is it getting cozier in here? Yeah? So what sort of inspired this whole coziness indoor idea was this past weekend, my fiance and I just had the coziest evening in. We lit all the candles, we put the fire on, I baked some pumpkin bars, we ordered some pizzas, we watched Harry Potter. It was so autumnal and so much fun. So I have some pumpkin bars left over, so I'm gonna have some of those. And I am also going to prepare some tea. So I'm going to let that steep in there for a little bit. As you guys saw, I used my cooker, which has the hot water on demand. And the tea that I'm having tonight is called Snore and Peace by Clipper Teas. And I love that play on War and Peace, and it's a really, really delicious tea. So here are the pumpkin bars, and I will have the recipe linked in the information bar down below. Oh my gosh, these are one of the reasons I get so excited for fall. I love these. So I'm gonna pour some tea for my fiance and I. He's in the other room working, so I'm gonna take his into him. And we have some French honey that we got on our trip to the French countryside. So this is actually from like wildflowers, this particular honey. And we also have a little bit of almond milk. So I'll add a splash of that as well. I don't right now have a little milk vessel to put this in for my tea service. However, it's coming. I have one in my shopping cart online. As you can see, I have my Cuddle Buddy here with me, and this is one of my favorite things that she does. She's a super cuddly dog. Like, I don't even have any hands or anything on her. She's just all cuddled in there. So we are sitting here by the fire, smelling the candle. I'm gonna have some of these pumpkin bars, maybe 2 or 7, and a couple cups of tea. And I'm just gonna read while we wait for my fiance, and then we'll probably watch something pretty cozy. We've been watching Peaky Blinders, which is actually a very autumnal show because it's always like raining and there's always like fire everywhere. But yeah, and it'll be really fun. There is this word here in the Netherlands, and it is gezellig. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that as closely to how it should be pronounced as possible. And it really is kind of like the fun of coziness. It usually refers to social situations. So I thought it would be kind of fun to show you how we do gezellig at home. Right, Stelly? Oh, you're so cozy.